Nobody wants to breathe diesel fumes all day, but here's the truth. Even a small exhaust leak can put those fumes right inside your cab. Exhaust leaks usually start small. A loose clamp, a cracked pipe, or a worn-out gasket. The problem is, once those fumes escape, they don't just stay outside. They can find their way into the cab, making you drowsy, giving you headaches, and even putting your health at serious risk. On top of that, leaks hurt back pressure, which robs your engine of power and efficiency. Here's what you can do. During your walk around, check for black soot marks around joints and clamps. If you smell exhaust in the cab or hear a ticking sound under load, don't ignore it. That's your truck warning you. Spotting the signs is your job, but fixing it safely is the shop's job. Don't gamble with your health or your truck. Get it sealed up right.